Hi, I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube background with Photoshop CS6. The most important thing is the size on a YouTube background. So we're going to come over here and we're going to go to File and New. And here's the size. It says width of 2560. This is the correct size for a YouTube background. And height of 1440. Resolution's not that important. So 2560 by 1440. I'm going to go ahead and rename this YouTube and click OK. So now I have the correct size for my background for YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and just use the gradient tool. And click on that and then choose up here. Let's see, I'm going to choose this one right here. I like it. This looks good. And I'm going to keep that there and OK. So I'm just going to left click, hold the left mouse key down, and I like it. It's a good background. All right, what you need to remember though is that this is going to look different on different screens. On an iPhone or a tablet, for instance, you're only going to see the very middle part of this screen. So keep that in mind when you're designing your YouTube background. You can add pictures or different colors, whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And another important thing to remember is to save it as a PNG file. PNG. And save it. Small is slow, none on the interlace, and that's it. Now you can just go and upload this on your YouTube channel.